Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious gingerbread squares. Okay, let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need half cup of white sugar, 5 tablespoons of melted butter, half cup of molasses, and a great trick to get your molasses out of the dish is to just rub a little bit of oil in there and it will just kind of slide right out. Half cup of water, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger. Take your electric mixer and beat this on medium speed until everything is well combined. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. I'm sorry I sound so horrible in this video, but I'm sick with a cough and cold and I feel like I can't hear myself. You know how that is. So just please excuse me. Sometimes the ginger would get stuck in the beaters, but don't worry about it, that's no big deal. I was just trying to take it off for the sake of this video so it doesn't look so ugly. Okay, after everything is mixed together, I'm going to add 2 cups of white all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and half teaspoon of cloves. Beat this until everything is well mixed together. When you do this, make sure you go in there and scrape your bowl halfway through. You want to make sure you get everything well mixed in together. And that's it. How easy was that to make? All you have to do is just put it in a pan and bake it now. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. I'm using a 13-inch by 9-inch pan and I just sprayed it with some cooking spray because I don't want this to stick. I know this looks like a big pan for this amount of batter, but it will rise when it bakes, so don't worry about that. So just spread it out evenly. Bake this in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 18 minutes. I'm just going to let this cool down before I cut it. I'm just using a plastic knife to cut this because I don't want to scratch up my pan. I don't like when my pans look all scratched up, so that's why I'm using that. I just love these gingerbread squares. They're just so perfect for the season. All that warm flavor, that gingerbread flavor. It's just perfect with a nice cup of coffee or tea on a cold morning. Oh my goodness. It just makes you feel like Christmas. And for all the Belizean people, this tastes just like bola, but even nicer. You know how you could buy some bola sometimes and then bola then dry. Like gosh, then thing old and dry. But this is like a nice moist bola. And this just so much easier to make, so definitely. Like I don't even want to make bola again. This is my new version of bola. But if you're not Belizean and you try this recipe, comment below and make I know what you think, if you think it tastes like bola. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.